In today's video, I'm going to challenge me, brother, mom and dad to draw. First, I'm going to divide the drawing. But before we start, let's decide who will be the first. I'll pull out a random person from this box. Okay, I'm going to be first. Let's start.
A few moments later.
Oh my god! Wow!
Who's next? Oh, my brother is next. His name is Arkady and he's almost 6. His birthday will on the 28th of July, so you can congratulate him in the comments. He worked extra hard on his side and I think it's his best artwork ever. Now the third side. Who's next? Mom or dad? My mom is good at art. Just look at some of your drawings. It's so satisfying. And the final side, surprisingly, will draw my dad. While my dad is drawing, I want to remind you that I have a Patreon, where I post tutorials, behind the scenes, drawings from art school and a lot more. Also, this is the best way to support my channel. Link in the description. Don't forget to write in comments which side is your favorite, and see you in next videos.